Do you want to make your home desirable to more buyers and stand out from the crowd? Even if you're not planning on selling anytime soon, there are plenty of reasons to know how the process works. The more you know, the higher your chances of getting a good offer is. If you want a few tips, then you are in the right place. Okay, I know selling your home can be an exciting but busy time. It's easy to get caught up in the rush of selling your house and preparing for your relocation, but it's essential you don't. Before you get too far into the process of selling your house, take a look at some of the most important things to remember first. Number 1, repairs and replace. Yes, you are right. When you want to sell your house quickly and for the best price possible, you should make it shine. This is the time to perform those updates that you have placed on the back burner all these years. It includes painting, of course, neutral colors, repairing holes in walls, replacing house numbers, updating any outdated appliances, recaulking or regrouting tiles in the bathroom and kitchen, and fixing any broken locks, screens, or doors. Also consider doing a kitchen remodel to help make it easier for a potential client to picture themselves living in your home, but only if you can really afford it. All right, number 2, decor and declutter. A messy house only makes us feel worse, right? Anxious. So when selling your home to potential buyers, they should be able to imagine themselves living inside. To help them do so, you need to remove the clutter and any personal items from your home. Simply store your personal items in storage bins and keep the bins orderly. This will help when it comes time for you to pack for moving day. All right, number 3, moving. It's important to stage your home professionally. If you want to sell it quicker, do you know that staging each room can help you showcase the features of your home, will help enhance its size and functionality. Many real estate agents work with various home staging companies, so talk to your agent if you're interested in hiring one. Or better yet, find a realtor who actually includes this service as part of doing business. Number 4, organize your documents. You're going to need personal identification, okay? Driver's license, passport. You're going to need your annual utility bills for your hydro and your heat and your water and your sewer. Any rental contracts that you have for hot water tank, air conditioner, or furnace. We need your current property tax bill. If you have the surveys or deeds, we'll need those as well. And if you have any renovation contracts or you have any transferable warranties, we'll want to have all that at your fingertips. So you can actually download that to a drive so you've got it all organized. Or just print it off, whatever's easiest. All right, so having your documents paperwork organized can save you time. All right, not only will you be providing your real estate agent, lender, and everybody else with the correct information, but you'll be speeding the process along and verifying your credibility as well. All right, number 5, be prepared for these questions about your house. What year was the roof replaced? How old are the windows? Do you have 100 or 200 amp electrical service? What kind of electrical wiring do you have? Have there been any updates to the electrical, and how long ago? What kind of plumbing is installed in your house? Have there been any updates to the plumbing, and when? Okay, so these things are very helpful. All right, number 6, select a realtor. When it comes to sell your house, you should use a real estate agent. Why? This is their profession, and they do it every day. There are many benefits to working with a real estate agent, including the ability to sell your house quickly and at the best price possible. In addition, a realtor can assist you with paperwork, home staging, financial aspects, marketing, negotiations, and much more. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you, looking for help on making their move to Muskoka, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving or selling in 9 or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text. All the information is in the description below so we can help you make a smooth move in or out of Muskoka. If you're looking for a real estate agent in the Muskoka area, contact Muskoka Cottage Country Living today. We can help you either sell your house or find the perfect house for sale within Muskoka. If you need a realtor outside of Muskoka, we can certainly refer you to a great one. Just ask. My name is Selvage with the Muskoka Cottage Country Living team at eXp Realty Brokerage. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell below for more updates.